In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a broadcast in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set a future start time for your live stream so you can prepare in advance and go live with confidence. First, open your browser and head to StreamYard.com. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the StreamYard dashboard, which is your home base for creating and managing broadcasts. From here, click the Create button. This opens your options for new content. Choose Live Stream to start setting up your broadcast. This tells StreamYard that you're preparing a live session rather than something like a pre-recorded upload. If you have existing recordings visible on your dashboard, you can click those to review or repurpose them later. But for scheduling a live broadcast, we'll continue with the new live stream option. Next, look for the Schedule option. Click Schedule to set this stream for a future date and time instead of going live right away. This is where you plan the timing so your viewers can see it on your channel and set reminders. When the scheduling panel opens, choose the start date and time for your broadcast. Take a moment to confirm the correct time zone so your audience sees the right start time. It's also smart to give yourself a small buffer before the announced time. This gives you a minute to settle in, check your lighting, and verify your mic without rushing. If there are fields for a title, description, or thumbnail as part of this screen, fill them in thoughtfully so your viewers immediately understand what the stream is about. Once the date and time look good, click Save Changes. StreamYard will now create a scheduled broadcast and display it on your dashboard with a clear scheduled status. You can return here anytime before you go live to double-check the details or make edits if your plan changes. On the scheduled day, open your StreamYard dashboard and select the scheduled broadcast. Enter the studio a few minutes early so you can test your camera and microphone, confirm your layout, and review any on-screen assets you plan to use. When everything looks and sounds right, click Go Live. That single action takes your scheduled broadcast from planned to live, sending it out to your audience at the moment you're ready. And that's it. You signed in, created a live stream, scheduled it with a specific date and time, saved your changes, and then on the day, opened the broadcast and clicked Go Live. Your broadcast is now scheduled, and you're set for a smooth, timely stream.